Florida homeowners, please think it through before getting solar panels installed on your home. They may save you on your electric bill, but they can cause all sorts of issues. Many insurance carriers have strict guidelines about net metering when you get credits for electricity you add to the grid. You should contact your insurance agent before getting solar. Also, be sure to have the panels factored into your replacement cost on your policy. The age of the roof is another big factor. Be logical. Does it really make sense to put solar panels on a roof that only has 5 years of life left? There's a large cost involved in removing and reinstalling the solar panels when you replace your roof. Maybe you should wait until you put on a new roof before getting solar. Here's the biggest issue: resale. Most often, solar panels are purchased on credit. Many times, the homeowners decide they need to sell the property in a few years, long before the solar is paid off. Now you have a problem. Most buyers don't really care about getting the solar when they buy a house, at least not in my market. They may not be willing to take on that extra payment or may not qualify for their mortgage with that extra debt. Many lenders simply won't give them the mortgage with that solar payment, even if they do qualify. Many solar companies won't even transfer the credit account to the buyers. What ends up happening most of the time is the seller ends up paying off the solar at closing from the equity they had in the home. In those cases, the seller lost a great deal of money. They may have saved on their electric bills while they had the solar panels, but they didn't get any more for the house when they sold it. And they basically just end up paying for the buyer's electricity for years to come.